So earlier today we worked on the strategy of number line addition. We're going to start a new lesson for us. Before I do, we're going to start over. Michaela, will you shut the door, babe? I'll just cut it out.
Okay.
Okay, so we're creating a book about number and addition, right? We're about to talk about the strategy of using base tens to add 3-digit numbers. When we do that, we're going to do think math. Again, the same rules apply. You're thinking over the problem. Once you think you have the right answer, you put your thumb up. Then you're thinking, can I solve it in base tens? What does that look like in my mind? Number line, expanded form, or partial sums. The other fingers are saying that, Miss G, I know how to solve it with these ways, and I got the same answer. If you get a different answer, then I want you to rethink, because one of them is going to be right and one of them is going to be wrong. So you're going to rethink it. That's what the different fingers mean. Thumb means I have an answer. The other fingers mean I can solve it using different strategies. All right? So the problem that we're going to solve this time is 397 plus 465. This one is a little bit trickier than the number line one. So you're trying to figure out what do you think is going to be the closest number. When you think you know the answer, put your thumb in front of your heart. Samia, you think it's 893. All right. Tima, I'd like to have you have your thumb in front of your heart.
I think it's 782.
Okay. Trent, what do you think the answer might be?
765.
Okay. You guys shouldn't be talking to your neighbor and telling him what you think. Miles?
838.
Talik? Antonio?
628.
Okay, and Braden?
862.
Okay. So we're using the base 10 strategy. Right? When we use the base 10 strategy, we always have pictures to represent each value. Today we're going to use the square for 100, the stick for 10, and an X equals the ones.
That's what we always use.
Yes, but we're doing this for parents.
Oh.
Okay, so looking at our first number, Tyler, what am I going to draw? Tell me what to do.
You're going to draw 3 squares.
And the squares equals hundreds. So someone up here front, they whispered 300s.
9 sticks.
Or what are those called?
10.
9 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
60, 70, 80, 90. And 7 X's.
Or 7, 7 ones. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, what do I... Okay, what do I do next, Nathaniel?
Draw 400.
I draw 400s.
2, 3, 4, 6,
6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I draw 5 ones. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5.
Can I start at the top?
No.
No, but let's look and start. Let's cross off numbers that might not work. All right. Right now I have 700s, but I have a lot of tens, so it can either start with a 700 or it can start with an 800, right? So let's see, that could be a good answer. That one's 700, it's more than 700, so that might work. That one, I don't know, 838 might work, 739, 628, and 862. Which one do we think right now is definitely not going to follow in the right answer? Lucas? 628. We don't have enough hundreds for that, do we?
No.
All right, good. So we're narrowing down our answer, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right, now, where do I start? At the hundreds, the tens, or the ones?
The ones.
I want to start at the ones. And I'm going to switch colors.
Have a 10.
I'm looking to see if I have a group of 10.
So you
Let's
can cross
see.
off and make another 10.
Okay, so let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There's 10. I'm going to circle them,
Excel.
cross it off,
And make it another 10.
and I'm going to draw my arrow saying, here's my new one.
Don't forget.
Right? We can't forget that.
Then you put the number 2
I have-
for the 1.
I have 2 ones. Okay? Now what do I do?
Now you see the 10s if you have 100.
Now I want to see if I have 100 in the tens. If I have 10 tens, that's the value of 100, right?
Yes.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, well, we need to start over and count that by tens this time, okay? 10,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
cross off the hundreds or the tens,
And make 100.
and we need to make another 100. How many tens are left? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There are still 6 tens. Okay, so this one's out. This has 2 ones and this has 8 tens. That one's out. This has 5 tens or 5 ones and 6 tens. Out, out. So now we're trying to see if this is the correct answer. Okay, let's see. We have 6 tens. How many hundreds?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 hundreds. In my list, this could be my answer in my list, right?
Yes.
800, 6 tens, and 2 ones. I could also write it in standard form, 862, or this will take a long time, so I usually don't choose to do this. You could redraw 862 without all the cross-offs, right? So there's our number, 862. Good job.